Hello, in this video I will show you how you can factory reset your Chromebook. So this Chromebook here, I want to reset it so that it will be as new. For you to reset your Chromebook, you will need three keys to use. First, you need the escape key, then you need the refresh key, which is this right here, then you need your power button. So for you to do so, you will press and hold the refresh key, escape key at the same time, then you will press the power button meanwhile holding the escape and the refresh key. So as soon as you have done that, it will go off, then boot up like this. So as soon as you get this display right here, you are going to hit control, which is control right here. You are going to press and hold control, then hit D. Okay, so when it reaches this screen right here and you don't understand what they're writing, then you can use these arrow keys right here to change the language right there. So let me check on English. Okay, cool. So this is English right here. So you can see they are saying to turn OS verification off, press enter. So in some Chromebooks you will need to press the space key, but mine I'm going to press enter right here. So as soon as you have pressed that, you just need to hold on. Okay, cool. OS verification off. So I'm going to press enter to re-enable it. Okay, so you can see press enter to confirm you wish to turn on OS verification. Your device will reboot and local data will be cleared. Okay, so I'm going to press escape right here, then press space key, then press on enter right here. You see your device will reboot and local data will be cleared. If you want to know how to set up your Chromebook after formatting or as a new one, then click this video.